Hey foodies, welcome to Flavor of Cook, where we will create, learn and taste something new every day. Today we will make dehydrated carrots. Here we have to take 500 of gram of carrots to make a dehydrated carrots. Here we will peel the carrot with the help of a peeler. Here we will peel all the carrot in same way. Now with the help of a knife we cut the top and bottom of the carrot. Here we will use the grater for grate the carrot. See, all the carrots are grated. Now we will spread the carrot in a plate. If you want, you can spread the carrot on a cloth or some paper. See this, we have spread all the carrot in a plate. Now we will keep the carrot in a dehydrator at a 50 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, then dry it thoroughly in the sun for 2 to 3 days. See, here our carrots are well dried. You can use this carrot to make a parathas or to make a kheer or to make a halwa and many more things. If you like our recipes, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share your experience with us.